Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. A 25-year-old woman from Harare has appeared in court on charges of cyberbullying and harassment after posting a viral video in which she hurled vulgar insults at a prominent socialite Zodwa Mkandla. Princess Phiri from Glenora pleaded guilty to the charges when she appeared before the Harare magistrate, Mr. Michael Mafukidze. She was remanded in custody until Wednesday for plea recording. Mkandla came across a TikTok video posted by the accused in which Phiri insulted her, calling her a prostitute and using highly offensive language. The court also heard that Phiri went as far as threatening to harm Mkandla's child, stating that she would beat her up if she ever encountered her. For more stories, please do like and subscribe at Zimstake Media.